In this video tutorial, we'll be covering how to use HeyOrca's publishing notes to easily add trending audio links to your TikTok and Instagram post. Let's get right into it by going to the post creation page. You want to ensure that notifications are selected, as publishing notes are only available for content that is being published using our mobile and email notifications. Once that's done, scroll down and click on the Publishing Notes menu to add a note. Here's where you can easily copy and paste the audio link that you'd like to use with your video. Go ahead and paste the link into the notes field and press enter to save your changes. Publishing notes are also great for adding general notes for your team to view, as well as any other relevant information you'd like to add. You can also use publishing notes to put in the handle of a collaborator that you can then tag when publishing natively to make a collaborative post. Click on the eye icon if you'd like to turn off the ability for external stakeholders to view them. Click on the eye icon again to enable them. You can also delete an added note by clicking on the trash bin icon and confirming your choice. Once you're happy with everything, you can go ahead and schedule your content for the designated time, or press Publish Now to send it right away. Now let's head over to the HeyOrca mobile app to see how we can add our audio link to our post using just a few taps. Click your post notification to open up the mobile app. From here, you'll be able to download your content as well as view your added publishing notes by clicking on the designated menu. Select the Download and Publish button to have your media downloaded and your caption copied to your clipboard, and select Stay Here when prompted, followed by clicking on the link to open it up in your browser. When the link opens up, you'll be able to view all the relevant information as well as an option to use this sound. Press the Use This Sound button to open up the TikTok app. From there, select the Use This Sound buttons once more to begin creating your post. Your audio has now been attached. You can add in the rest of your details, such as pasting your caption from your clipboard and anything else you'd like to add to your TikTok post. Once you're happy with everything, you can go ahead and publish your TikTok content. Now, let's take a look to see how to post an audio link for Instagram. The process is exactly the same when creating a post on the calendar, but is slightly different within the mobile app. Press Download to Publish and then click Stay Here, followed by clicking on the link to open it up in your browser. Once you've opened the link, you'll be able to view the relevant information for your audio. Scroll to the top of the page and select the Open button on the very top banner on the page. You'll then be brought to the Instagram page for the audio. From here, select Use Audio to add it to your post. You can then easily upload your downloaded video and paste your copied caption right from your clipboard. If you're not seeing the banner I selected in the previous video, you can take this step instead. After you open up your audio in the browser, select the compass icon located on the bottom right. This will open up your audio link in a new tab. From here, select the very top banner labeled Open. You'll then be able to select the Use Audio button to add your sound to your post. Once you're happy with your post, you can press Publish to make it live. You have now successfully posted your content with your audio using publishing notes. We hope this feature helps you take back even more of your day. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our customer care team at customercare@heyorca.com.